Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
10 outstanding Nigerians were recently presented with awards of excellence by organizers of the just concluded ASO Cultural Festival in Abuja in recognition of their immense contributions to sustainable peace and development in Nigeria. Well, yours truly was among recipients of the awards presented at a colorful event put together to showcase Nigeria's cultural and tourism potentials in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja.
The ASO Cultural Festival is an annual event organized to showcase Nigeria's rich cultural and tourism potentials and promote national unity. This year's edition was organized to celebrate young Nigerians who over the years have deployed their creativity to earn the country an enviable position in the global entertainment industry. According to convener of ASO Cultural Festival, Desmond Agbola, the awardees include ambassadors of peace who have consistently portrayed Nigeria's image in a positive light through their activities.
We have given awards to some selected people tonight, people that have helped in promoting the cultural heritage of Nigeria, both in Nigeria and outside the country. We are going to be selecting just 10 people that we are going to be giving awards this night, and it's going to be a great evening.
MAMODE AKUGHA, executive producer of Inside the Niger Delta and managing director of Wovi Communications Limited, was among the awardees.
I would like to present this award to Mr. Felix AKUGHA.
Frontline human rights lawyer Frank Teti, who received the award on behalf of Mr. AKUGHA, described the recognition as well deserved.
Development journalism, like what Felix MAMODE AKUGHA is doing, is to ensure that issues of development are touching the people of the Niger Delta and indeed the entire country. Such issues are brought to the forefront so that Nigerians can have the opportunity to make the right choices. Not only ordinary citizens, but indeed policymakers, politicians, and those who actually run our government. It's always a thing of pleasure when a man does something for good and then he's recognized for it, because it means that he's now influencing other people. It also means that posterity is judging him on the right side.
Adeto Adamu, founder of Secure the Future International Initiative, and Otumba Kolawole, CEO of Kolawole Foundation, both recipients of the ASO Cultural Awards, described its idea of promoting peace as timely as Nigeria prepares for the 2023 general elections.
Regardless of the circumstances, we need to remember that peace surpasses every other thing. So as much as we want change, we need to understand that we have to do it in the right way. So the best thing I will advise is please just go out, vote, cast your votes, do the right thing. But you don't have to allow anybody use you or tell you what to do or influence you, We should just do what is right.
Personally, I've been praying for my country. Nigeria is a great country. Let's believe in that. If we believe in Nigeria, Nigeria is moving forward.
The 2022 edition of the just concluded ASO Cultural Awards was organized with the theme Uniting the City.
Inside the Niger Delta,